This is a very important course because this gives molecular biologists the opportunity to better understand what bioinformatics is, and also that bioinformatics isn't just magic. We can't just get results. We actually have to mine data and understand data to get to that. So it really helps molecular biologists to work through even just the basics of bioinformatics. You just understand what they're doing.
It's opened up a huge avenue for me. It's taught me a lot about some of the tools that I could use within my research, and that's been really interesting, especially since coding is quite complicated. So I think the most exciting part about it is actually getting success with your codes, writing them and getting the result that you want instead of error codes. So by getting the knowledge, I can take it a step further, maybe do an advanced course, and actually teach my colleagues and my peers on how to use bioinformatics within their studies. And just help them out and help myself out and try to use the tools to get a better understanding of my research. And also the trainer has mentioned that sometimes you get raw data, and if somebody else is doing your work, they can't really pull out the information. But if you understand what you're doing, you may be able to find nuggets within your research that other people may not be able to see.
I found the course to be very interesting. Basically, it was, at first when the course started, it was letters and numbers that ended up being meaningful. I'm going to use this like a lot, because then over the past years of my experience, I've been the one that has been giving out like producing data, but I've never known what is done with the data. Like for me, it was interesting that, oh, I'd do this and then I'd send it to another lab and then they'll give me results. That was fine. But now over the years, I've been seeing that, I mean, a whole lot of people can do what we do. It's just mixing stuff and reading a recipe. But now I want to be the one that is able to actually do this thing, execute it, and then come to a conclusion, and not be the one that is receiving the conclusion.
My favorite parts was the parts that I did today, writing the script, because I've never thought I'll do anything related to IT and be able to produce something, because I thought coding is not for me. I'm more of a research person, so it's a bit complicated from a distance. But once you start doing it, it becomes more interesting.
It's a wonderful opportunity that these students are getting, because it's not a 3 course that's being delivered. DIPLOMICS is actually sponsoring these students for them to be able to do bioinformatics. The 6 students that we're training today is but a small portion of the people that really want to be here. So DIPLOMICS is playing a really, really good role and large role in helping these students. And a lot of them are really keen on understanding what they're doing, because they want to take it back to their labs, to their classrooms, to their universities, and then act as a lecturer just to teach the other people what they learned. So it's going to have a wonderful effect. I'm really excited to see what these students do in the future.